Hello YouTube, it's your boy HitTheGasChoppo, and I am back with another banging video. Today's video, man, I got a special video for your boys today, as I do every video. So make sure y'all subscribe to the channel so y'all can stay tuned and stay up to date with my channel, and follow me on Instagram at Choppo. But today, man, I have a hot box mukbang for y'all boys today. So let me get this thumbnail real quick, and then we can get this shit on the road, man. All right, so look, man. Yes, sir. First hit of the day. Alright, so look. I got a mukbang for y'all boys. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna be hotboxing this thing. I'm in the closet right now, as you can see. Let me show y'all how I'm looking. I'm finna definitely be grubbing, and it's gonna be a nice, smooth, easy video, you feel what I'm saying? So make sure y'all got y'all weed, make sure y'all got y'all something to eat, snack on. Let's get straight into this shit, bro. Yes, sir. Hey, bro, go watch my recent video if you haven't already, you feel what I'm saying? I know I've been going for a little minute, but we back on the consistent road. I had to get my equipment situated with my computer, so I'm back posting consistent every weekly videos for y'all boys. So first things first, I want to shout out Candle Leaf Pens. Make sure I get over there and get 10% off using code CHOPPO at checkout, all caps, you feel what I'm saying? Get you 10% off any item that you purchase from there. This is the Zaza vape pen. If you haven't, go watch the review that I did on this pen. This pen is great. It's a great pocket size pen that you can use anywhere, you feel what I'm saying? It's nice, it's smooth, chargeable, you feel what I'm saying? Make sure y'all get over there and tap in the Candle Leafs, man. Get y'all 10% off right now. Get over there right now. Link is gonna be in the description. Let's get back to the video, bro. So yeah, bro, I ain't ate all day. I'm hungry. Y'all know how I get down with the Chinese, you feel what I'm saying? So look, bro, you gotta have your egg roll, you feel what I'm saying? But most importantly, we got the General Toss-O. We got the General Toss-O with the fried rice, you feel what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As you can, yes, sir. Get away for that, man. Yes, sir. We gonna grub, bro. I'm so hungry, y'all. Shout out to my mama, bro. She got me something to eat, man. Shout out to her. Y'all, it's just buzzing, bro. I'm gonna take a few more hits, bro. Forgot, bro. This is not just a mukbang, bro. We gonna hotbox the shit out of this while we eating, so. Whew. Another one. Cheers. Every time. Y'all, this shit good as hell. This ain't no free promo in that, but get y'all some watermelon strawberry Gatorade. Oh my god. Alright. First bite, man. First bite. Let's get a look at things. This ain't gonna be a no ASMR or nothing, so don't make it weird, nigga.
Wavy Boy Productions.
Alright. Not bad, not bad. Hey, bro, should I answer some questions? I have some questions on my Instagram. If I could find my freaking phone. My dumb ass. I'm using my phone. I ain't got my camera right now. What up? Like, what? Choppo, you is geek, nigga. You is tweaking. Look at my eyes, man. Look, like I'm tweaking, man. Fuck. Alright, bro, don't mind me, bro. If you geek, you shouldn't be minding me because you should be geek too. If you're not, get the fuck off this video. Click off this video ASAP. With storms, bro, I don't got time for you. I don't even want to classify myself as a storm. I just love weed. Y'all be sure to follow my TikTok, bro. It's gonna be in the description. It's probably gonna be somewhere down here. Get over there, bro. I'm finna start uploading again on TikTok. History with me and TikTok, they keep banning my accounts. I had like 4 banned already, so make sure I get over there. The link gonna be right here on the bottom of the screen. Make sure I get over there. Easy click, tap in the description, and go follow me, bro. What kind of content should I post on there? I got another question too, bro. Speaking of content, how does y'all feel about me doing a blankets video with strangers? How do y'all feel about that? Would y'all be interested in that? If so, let me know down in the comments, cause I feel like that'll be a lit ass video. I'm not sure where I would go, where I would potentially find stoners, but I don't know, maybe we'll go to like a Blue Craft Festival or something. They be hosting those where I'm at in Florida, so we'll see. It's almost about that time anyways, man. New year, new grind, you feel what I'm saying? New year come around, I'm going harder than ever. Y'all know me. But if you don't, it's because you're not subscribed to HitTheGasChoppo. Get over to my main channel right now. Link gonna be in the description. Reaction channel gonna be in the description. You know what I'm saying? And if you truly support me and want to advance your support, follow me on Instagram. Also, link in the description. Yeah, this food is so good. I'm not even giving a fuck how I'm looking on camera eating this shit. I'm gonna show you guys how. Let's go, man. If you got your pen, you got your hand, whatever you smoking, let's go. Yes, sir. I'm not sure how long this video gonna be. It's probably like 10 minutes by now. But I'm not gonna finish this. So I might just end it right there. Shit, appreciate y'all for watching. It got over 10 minutes, so I'm satisfied. I hope y'all are too. I'm gonna keep going with the videos as long as y'all fucking with it, bro. Follow me on Instagram, like I said. Get over there at HitTheGasChoppo. Follow me on TikTok at HitTheGasChoppo. And yeah, bro, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, okay?